Good morning, folks. I am Himanshu Dasani, and today we are continuing our lecture on coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have seen the section formula, and today we are continuing this topic with some more questions. Now, example number 9 of chapter 7. Find the ratio in which y-axis divide the line segment joining the point 5, minus 6. We are having 2 points. Points are 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. We are having 2 points 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 4. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divide the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. So let this be x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Using the section formula for this is one more point whose coordinates are x, y. So x will be equal to m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is x2, this is x1. Substituting the values, m1 into x2. x2 is minus 1 plus x1 is 5 into m2 upon m1 plus m2 is equal to x. Now we are given that this point C lies on y-axis. Y-axis means this point, then the coordinate will be 0, y, means the value of x will be 0. Here x is equal to 0, substituting the values, this minus 1 m1 plus 5 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Taking this m1 plus m2 in the numerator, we will be getting minus 1 m1 plus 5 m2 is equal to 0. Now taking this minus 1 m1 in the right hand side, 5 m2 is equal to 1 m1. Now 5 upon 1 is equal to m1 by m2. So this is the required ratio. Now we have to find out the value of y coordinate. Y is equal to m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2. Here this is y2, here y1. Substituting the values, y is equal to m1. m1 is 5 into y2. y2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1. y1 is minus 6 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 will be 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Solving this, we will be getting 5 4 the 20 minus 6 upon 6. This will be 26 minus 26 by 6. Further solving this, we'll be getting minus 13 by 3. So y is equal to minus 13 by 3 is the solution for the required question. Now let us see the next question. Question number 7 of exercise 7.2. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. Let us see the solution of this. Question says that we are having a circle whose diameter is AB. Whose diameter is AB. Center is given 2, minus 3. Center is given 2, minus 3. And B point is 1, 4. We have to identify the value of this. This is x1, y1. This is x, y. And this is x2, y2. Now the distance from A to point C will be equal to the distance from B to point C because this is diameter, half of diameter is radius. So AC is equal to BC. Means the ratio M1 ratio M2 will be 1:1. Now substituting the values, x is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. What is the value of x? 2. M1 is 1 into x2 is 1 plus M2 is 1. X1 is x1 upon M1 plus M2 will be 1 plus 1. Solving this, 2 is equal to 1 plus x1 upon 2. Taking these 2 in the numerator, we will be getting 4 is equal to 1 plus x1. Taking this 1 in the left hand side, we will be getting x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. So x1 is equal to 3. This is the value of x1. Now solving for y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now substituting the values, y is minus 3, m1 is 1 and m2 is also 1, m1, y2 is 4 plus m2 is 1, y1 is y1 upon m1 plus m2 will be 1 plus 1. Now solving this, minus 3 is equal to 4 plus y1 upon 2. Taking this 2 in the numerator, this will be minus 3 into 2 is equal to 4 plus y1. Solving this will be minus 6 is equal to 4 plus y1. Taking this 4 in the left hand side, minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y1. So y1 is equal to minus 10. x1 is 3, y1 is minus 10. So x1 3, minus 10 is the value of the required solution. Let us move to the next concept, which is area of the triangle if the vertices are given or the coordinates of the vertices are given. Then how we can find out the value of the area of triangle. In earlier classes we have seen that the area of the triangle is given by half base into altitude or half base into height. For that we need to know the distance between the base and the height. Now suppose we are given with one triangle ABC. This is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. Now we have to identify the value of area of the triangle. So how we can find out? First write 1 by 2, then bracket x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket. See here, this is 1, 2, 3. Now 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Now x3, y 1 minus y2. 3, 1, 2. You can remember the pattern by first you have to write 1 by 2, then x1, then 1, 2, 3 plus x2, 2, 3, 1, then x3, 3, 1, 2. This is the formula for the area of triangle when the coordinates of the vertices are given. Let us see one of the question based on this formula. Question is from exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Naming this x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Substituting these values in this formula. This is 1 by 2 bracket x1 is 2, y2 is 0 minus of minus 4. Now x2 is minus 1 bracket y3 is minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 is 2 bracket y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. Now solving this, minus into minus will be plus, 2 into 4 will be 8, plus into minus will be minus of minus bracket minus 7 plus 2 into 3 will be 6, 1 by 2 as it is. Now solving this, minus into minus will be plus 8 plus 7 plus 6, 1 by 2 as it is. Solving this, 8 plus 7 15 plus 6, 1 by 2. This will be 21 by 2. So area of the triangle is 21 by 2, or we can write 7.5. by 2. In this manner we have to solve. Let us see one more example based on this formula. Question number 2 from the same exercise 7.3. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Points are collinear means all the points are lying on the same line. If all the points lies on the same line, that is called collinear. So how we can solve for the triangle? If the area of triangle is equal to 0, if the area of triangle is equal to 0, then we can say that all the 3 points are lying on the same line. So you can note this: if all points lies on a line, then it is called collinear. Points, that means area of triangle is equal to 0. Points are given to us: 7, -2, 5, 1 and 3, k. Naming these coordinates: x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now applying the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, this area of triangle is equal to 0 because the points are collinear. 1 by 2 as it is. X1 is 7, y2 minus y3 1 minus k plus x2 is 5, y3 k minus of minus 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2 minus 1. Now solving this, taking this 2 in the numerator, so this will be 0 is equal to 7 into 1 will be 7 minus 7 into k will be 7k. Now this 5 into k will be 5k. Minus into minus plus 5 into 2 will be 10 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3, 3 into 3 will be 9, so this will be minus 9. Further solving this, minus 7k plus 5k will be minus 2k, 10 minus 9 will be 1 and 1 plus 7 will be 8. This is equal to 0. Taking this minus 2k in the right hand side, will be getting 8 is equal to 2k. Taking this 2 in the denominator, solving this, will be getting 4 is equal to k. So k is equal to 4 is the required value of the given question. I hope you got the idea how we can solve the area of triangle when the vertices are given. We'll be continuing with the new chapter tomorrow. Thank you.